Hello everyone, my name is Jeff and I will be your spokesman for this afternoon's video. I am from theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look on how to install the Elementum add-on from Kodi, one of the most powerful add-ons available. Now, if this is your first time to the Stream Machines YouTube channel, thank you for being here. Give us a thumbs up and throughout the video, and let's just jump right into the video. Now, Elementum is one powerful add-on, and what we like about it is a couple of things. One, it's super easy to use. The second reason we like it is it doesn't really need at all a real Debrid account, a Premiumize, or all Debrid account. It doesn't need any of those accounts to work. It'll work really, really good by itself. And two, it's super easy to use and use on your devices. So there's three things you're gonna wanna have that I have on mine. You don't have to copy it, but I recommend a VPN. So let's go ahead and turn on VPN here. I use VPN.io. There's plenty of VPNs. So we're gonna make sure we get connected to that. I'm sorry, let's do this again. And we're gonna go down to Seattle, press OK. And there it is. So now that we're connected to the VPN, I'm gonna press the home button. You wanna make sure you have Downloader, the latest version. I get it from the Google Play Store, and also the latest version of the Kodi software. So we're gonna go to Downloader, and we're gonna put in a downloader code here really fast. And it's this one, 444801. You want to hit the go button. Let it redirect there. Once it does that, you can just click on done. You don't need to open it. Go ahead and hit the home button and go back to the home button. Now, before you go into the Kodi software, we want to give permissions that Kodi could handle our storage. So to do this, you need to go to your settings wheel or your settings place. This is on a Formula device. So I'm going to go to the settings, and then I'm going to go right down to apps, press OK. And then I'm going to find the Kodi app, press OK. And the very bottom of the app, you should see permissions. Highlight that, press OK. Then you want to turn on the microphone and turn on the storage. That's all you need to do there. Once you're there, go ahead and hit the back button or get back to the home page. Now I believe you're ready to go into Kodi to begin to do what you do. So what you want to do is open up Kodi. And this is 21.2 Omega. And you should be there. I've already authorized Kodi to work on my device. So what you want to do is you want to start at the settings wheel right here. And you want to press the OK button. You then want to go down to System, right there, press OK. You want to go down to the Add-on section, push to the right, highlight Unknown Sources, and just press the OK button to turn that on, and confirm that you want that on by pressing Yes. Once you do that, you want to hit the back arrow just to go back a page. Then you want to go up to File Manager and press the OK button on your remote. Then you want to go to Add Source and press OK. Now, instead of pressing OK here and putting in a URL, you want to highlight Browse. Press OK. Then you want to go down to the External Storage option. Press OK on your remote. Then you want to go down to Download. Highlight that. Press OK. Then you want to go to Downloader. Press OK and push to the right to press OK. Perfect. It's given it a name. Go down to the OK button at the bottom and press OK. Now you're done here. Hit the back arrow to go back a page. You want to go over to Add-ons, highlight that, press the OK button. Then you want to go down to where it says Install from Zip File. Highlight that, press OK. You want to go down to Downloader and press OK. Find the zip file and press OK. Let it sit for a moment until that pops up on the right and it disappears. Once it disappears, you can go to Install from Repository, one up from there. Press OK. Then go down to Elementum org repository, press OK. And then you want to go down to video add-ons, press OK. And then highlight Elementum, press OK to start, and hit install at the bottom right. And then the OK button at the top right there where it's highlighted, press that. Now, let it do what this does. It might blink a little bit, go in and out a little bit. Just let it finish. It's like it just did there. Very normal. Now you'll see Elementum add-on installed. What you'll want to do is just let it, you got to download a binary file for it to work. So what you want to do is just press the back button here a couple of times. Keep on pressing the back button. Keep on pressing the back button one more time. One more time. And then you should have Elementum right there. Once you have Elementum there, you can begin to use it. As you go to use it, if it requires an app called Burst, like this right here, you're going to need to install Burst for it to work completely. So let's complete the installation by just pressing the yes and let it install the Burst add-on. And that's it. This is a great add-on for a lot of your entertainment. I hope this video was helpful. If you get stuck, just pause the video, go back and forth a little bit, and hopefully I was clear enough for you to follow along. But I love this little add-on. It works so very, very well. And if you've never used it and you're interested, you can't go wrong with learning a new skill. Hey, I want to thank you so much for tuning into this video. Again, I want to point out safety on your media devices. The VPN is one of the safest things that you'll need. If you don't have one and you'd like to purchase VPN.io, it's $50 a year. You can put it on more than 5 devices and it runs really, really well. I'll put a link in the description. And I appreciate you guys tuning into this video. Also, look in the description. Starting this week, we are giving away, next week I should say, a Formula Z11 Pro, absolutely free. So it's only going to be for those who are subscribed to the channel. So look for that video on how to get in the free giveaway, which is going to be at the end of May. Hey, thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.